So if you want to know where that perfect arc is on your face, your brow arc that would suit your face, here's a tutorial for you. So simply get like your brush or your eye pencil and place it just beside your nose bridge, aligning it with the beginning of your eye. And wherever it meets your eyebrow is the beginning of your brows. So you can make a marking there with your eye pencil. Then also ensure you are looking straight at the mirror so you don't miss it. So ensure that it is on the beside your nose bridge. You can see where it is. Now make sure it cuts across your pupil. Put it just diagonally across your pupil. Okay, wherever it meets your eyebrow, ensure that you are looking straight at the mirror. Wherever it cuts your eyebrow, that is where your arc should be. So just ensure you make a marking there. Even if you don't have hair, wherever it cuts it, that is where your arc should be. So don't forget. Now put it, okay? Now to get the tail of your brows, where your brows should end, put your brush or your eye pencil at your nostril, the end of your nostril. Now let it cut across the end of your eyes. The end of your eyes, from the end of your nostril to the end of your eye, anywhere it meets your eyebrow is where the tail of your brow should end. Okay, so don't forget, it's a very very simple trick for those that may not have already outlined structured eyebrow. This tutorial is for you. So do the same to your second brows. Put it by the side of your nose bridge, where and it should meet the beginning of your eye. Where it meets your brows, you make a mark there with your eye pencil. So of course put it diagonally to cut your pupil. Your pupil is the black portion, the black round portion of your eye. When it where it cuts your pupil diagonally to meet your brow, that is where your arc should be. So that is where you should make your carving on your arc to fit your face shape. Now also where the end of your nostrils is, make it to cut across the end of your eyes, or it should of course it should pass the end of your eyes. Wherever it meets your brows, that is where the tail of your brows should end. So now you can now fill it in with a very sharp eye pencil. Just fill it very lightly, following the outlined mark. Okay, you can just put points there so it doesn't look too big, but just to have an idea where you should create your arc, or where your brow arc should start from, so your brows don't look funny. So now you can now start go ahead to fill it. You can fill in the beginning of your brows with strokes just to make it look natural for those that may not really even have so much brows or so much hair on their eyebrows. Now you can see where I created the arc, and I'm creating a bend there for my brows. So this is what I'm trying to explain to you. So you can know where to create that arc, that bend for your brows that would perfectly suit your face. So I'm doing the same thing to these brows. You can just fill it in. If you do not have hair on your brows, you can just fill it in, and and you are good to go. Ensure that you have carved your brows. Okay, ensure that you have carved any excess hair away from your brows to ensure that this particular stuff works like magic. So now you can just go ahead, fill it in, fill any empty spaces, fill it in to give it a very perfect look. So you can see I'm doing that here. Ensure your brows is super super sharp. You can go ahead and choose to conceal if you want to, but if you like something looking really natural just to fill in your brows, then you can leave it. But here I just did a little concealing, and of course I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer and my angled brush. So I just did a quick concealing just to give it that flawless finish. But if you still like to just fill it in, make it look natural, is still super 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 okay. So here is a tutorial on how to find your perfect arc. This works really 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 like magic. So do well to try this out, And let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Do well to like this video, do well to leave a comment, and if you would like me to do any tutorial, also state it in the comments. I would love to hear it. Here is the final look of a perfect act that suits my face. Subscribe for more.